Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download YouTube app. Now, if this sounds interesting to you, then make sure to stick till the end and follow all the steps, know the exact process for it. Now, before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. Now, let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC and there search for youtube.com and press enter on your keyboard. And once you search for it, you will be directly taken to the youtube.com homepage. Now from there you have to tap on three dots menu at the top right of your screen, and from there you have to mouse over to the more tools option, and there again a pop-up menu will be appear on your screen. Now from that menu you have to tap on create shortcut option. Now there you have to simply tap on create button. Now go back to the home screen of your PC, and there you will find YouTube app on your home screen. So that's how easily and quickly you can get YouTube app on your device. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. That's gonna be all for this video. I will see you in the next one.